Welcome to Club 618 Trading Academy. Hi everyone. A quick update here for BTC on Bybit on the daily chart. At the moment we're at $62,865 and we find here resistance at the previous value levels. So you can see here the value area low is now at the moment resistance locally. So if we put some daily levels here, we have a daily level around $60,257. If we cannot break the value area low and find support on it, then we could come back down and see that we can make a higher low on the daily level around $62,860. So we have to see what Bitcoin does here locally. Now, if we look on the bigger picture, then we can see also that we have here descending broadening wedge. So in this case, we see that we bounce between those levels here and looking for higher prices. If this is the pattern that Bitcoin is forming, so that time will tell if this will play out or not. But now for the short term, looking here the daily level with the value low, and then we have also a FIB level, the 0.618 around 65,208 for local resistance. So we have to see what the price will do here. The most important thing for now is that we can get back in the old range, and then we have to hold it as a support. That was a quick update for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.